My name is Jenesis Tucker. I'm from St. Petersburg, Florida, and I go to Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach. My major is aeronautics, and my intention is to become a commercial pilot. This internship absolutely affects everything, and working at Joby as my first industry experience definitely set the bar. I know what I want now, and I know exactly how to go for it.
My name is Shreya. I'm from West Windsor, New Jersey. I go to school at Cornell University and I'm studying mechanical engineering. I heard about Joby through the Brooke Owens Fellowship. I was matched with Joby after I applied, and in my application I talked about being really passionate about aviation and giving people access to transportation that they otherwise wouldn't have. And so they matched me perfectly.
It was just amazing to see the plane fly in real life, and I've heard that it was quiet, but I was so surprised at how quiet it actually was in real life.
I'm Megan Joe. I'm from San Mateo, California, and I'm studying mechanical engineering at UC Davis.
I didn't really know what to expect, but I came in and everybody was so nice, respectful, welcoming. I truly feel like I have friends at work. It's not something I expected to say, seeing that I work with people who are twice, 3 times my age. But everybody, especially on my team, was so nice, so amazing. And it's been a great experience. I've also learned so much that I never expected to learn. I didn't even know what I was going to learn. So it's been all around amazing for me.